Hello! Okay, so you just made your very first order with Seint, and I am so excited for you. I love this makeup. We all know I love this makeup. I don't stop talking about this makeup. So, while you are stocking your mailbox waiting for your order to come, I thought that we could take some time and go through what to expect when you get your order, how to get it all in your palette, how to actually use the product, and just kind of answer a few of the frequently asked questions that I get when somebody gets their order for the first time. So, when your order comes, you're going to see that the foundation comes in these little tins. These tins slide open like this. Don't try to lift them off. I definitely tried to do that when I first got my order and it does not work. But you're gonna take and slide it open like so. Make sure you save one of these, and I'll show you in a little bit why. Super cool trick. These little tins are magnetic, and your palette that you probably have in your order is also magnetic. So you'll open up your palette, and because these are magnetic, they're just gonna pop right in, and it's gonna stay. You can organize these in any way that is most convenient for you. I personally like to organize it lightest to darkest and then my lip and cheek. So I have my Brightener Highlight, I have my main highlight, I have the contour color, and then my lip and cheek. So this is my entire face of makeup. This just blows my mind. Okay, remember that little tin lid that I said to hang on to? One of these days you are going to find yourself trying to get some of these tins out of the palette because you ordered a bigger one or you ran out of product and you're replacing it with a new one. Either way, you're going to have to try and get them out. Don't use your fingers because you will absolutely stick your fingers right into the product and it gets messy and it is not fun. This will save you. You take the thin edge here and pop it in between and lift out. Boom. Okay, let's go over how to actually use this stuff, shall we? Okay, so you have your Seint palette. Inside, you've got your Brightener Highlight, main highlight, contour, and lip and cheek. Okay, if you wound up ordering a brush, you may have ordered the blush and bronzer brush. This is my favorite brush to do my entire face. However, you may have ordered the detail brush as well. This one is awesome for placing product and contouring. If you didn't order a brush, that's okay. Just make sure you're using a brush that has a fluffier end. I'm going to do my whole face with my blush and bronzer brush today. All right, I'm going to start off with my contour color. This is creating the natural shadows that would occur on our face. Using my finger, I'm going to lightly dip into the contour color. This makeup is highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. We're going to place it in the hollows of our cheeks. Along our hairline. Quick little pro tip, leave a little space between your actual hairline and the placement of your product. This will allow you to blend up and out, which will soften the appearance of our forehead. We'll place some down along the sides of our nose. And some along our jawline. I like to place just a small amount under my lower lip to bring a little more definition to my lips. Now we're going to go in with our Brightener Highlight. This is the lightest highlight color you have. You're going to want to stick towards the center of your face. So the center of your forehead, the inner corners of your under eye, the outer corners of your under eye, a little under your nostrils to help with redness, in the very middle of your chin, and then in between your jawline and the hollow of your cheek. We're also going to place a little bit down the center of our nose to help create a soft definition. This particular method of placing your product is called the cheetah method, and I think it's adorable. Now we're going to go in and fill the gaps with our main highlight. This is the color that is closest to your actual skin tone. I know this looks super crazy, but get ready to have your mind blown when this is all blended together. Now we're going to go in with our blush and bronzer brush. I'm going to use the smaller end of it and start blending in the lighter colors. So just your Brightener Highlight and your main highlight. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and blend in our contour color. When blending your contour, always remember to go outward with it. Man, I love that transformation. Okay, lip and cheek time. Just the tiniest amount of this stuff will do. It is very pigmented. Pro tip, if you place it higher up on your cheekbone, it'll actually create a pseudo facelift look. Add some to your lips for a little color. And using the fluffy end of our blush and bronzer brush, we're going to buff that cheek color out. Looking good. Now, if you ordered a bronzer, you're going to take and place this in the areas that the sun would naturally tan your face first. So a little in the hairline, on the top of your cheekbones, and on your jawline. If you want to get real fancy, you can use an illuminator to help bring out that natural glow. Place this on the very tops of your cheekbones and into your temple area. Just a smidge on the tip of your nose, on your Cupid's bow, and down the very center of your nose if you like. Then go ahead and set with your favorite setting powder. Then feel free to do your eyes and eyebrows, anything else. That's it. It's really that simple. I know it looks super intimidating and using a new product for the first time is really scary, but I promise once you learn how to use this and you get the hang of it, it's going to be the easiest makeup you have ever used in your life. But if when you do get your order, you still have some questions or you want to have a more detailed walkthrough of how to use this makeup, feel free to contact me. That's what I'm here for. As your personal Seint artist, I am here to help you, I'm here to teach you, and I'm here to answer any questions that you might have. If you are watching this video and you are curious about Seint, feel free to click the button below and I will set you up with a free custom color match for 3D foundation. I will personally set you up with your perfect shades for your skin tone and undertones in 3D foundation. But if that's kind of scary for a stranger to do that for you, I totally understand. While I do recommend that you get color matched by a trained Seint artist who knows this product, there is an option for you that I will link down below for a pre-made collection that Seint offers, where you can actually go and find your general shades. They might not match you exactly, but they'll get pretty close. Okay, I'm so excited for you to get your order. Thank you for ordering through me. Again, I am here to help you. I'm here to answer questions, so please feel free to reach out. I'm so excited for you to get your makeup.